So what you're going to want to do is mix in an additional amount of sweetener to compensate for that, and a little bit of liquid. So the best thing to do would be to mix simple syrup, which is an equal parts blend of sugar and water, and then your cocoa powder of choice. I'm just going to use this. And I have my chocolate syrup. The leftover is the gift for the maker. The next flavor note that we're going to be layering in is the note of coffee. What I'm using here is a good instant coffee granules. If you've ever traveled abroad and you've been away from a place where you can get some really good fresh brewed coffee, you'll know that Classico is a lifesaver. Also, when you're going camping. Why are we using instant coffee? Well, if you were to use brewed coffee, what it's going to do is dilute the final product and change the viscosity of the liqueur.
You don't want it like that. You don't want it too watery. You want it to be smooth as possible. So that's why you don't brew the coffee first. You just throw in the powder so you can keep up the consistency of the mix, of the brew, the whole, fuck up the structure, the liquid structure of the rum cream. So this makes sense. You fuck. Yo, I'm have to try this one day. I'm have to like this one day. Watch it.
Okay, I have my coffee granules here. So one of the secret hero ingredients to almost any item that is of a sweet nature, and that is vanilla. You know how people say butter makes everything better?